Is it filming? Right, I'm going to turn the engine on. Right, turn it on, and I'm going to let the lights go out. Right, now I'm going to attempt to turn the engine on. Ah! It's doing it! There we go. There you go, you had a click coming from the engine. Right, I'm going to turn it off. Just turn that off again. And try it again. Right, listen very carefully. So, turn it on. Right. Shut up. Right, listen very carefully. Oh, it started that time. But you can see the first time, click came from the engine and it didn't work, and the second time it came on. So I'm not imagining things.